Welcome back to my channel. If you want to see me hang these 3 pictures and line them up so that they are leveled and spaced out evenly, please stay tuned and continue to watch this video, and also subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you don't miss another upload. So let's get into hanging the picture. So the first thing you want to do is measure the space where you want to hang the picture. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to measure each picture just to make sure that they are the same size and to make sure it's going to fit our space. I do have my son helping me. He is one of my twins. He's 13. He's helping me. Not only is this a great learning experience, but this is an opportunity for us to bond. Next, we're going to arrange the pictures the way that we want them to hang on the wall, and then we're going to measure just to make sure that it's actually going to fit the space that we measured previously. And because I want some spacing in between each picture, I want to make sure that the spacing is accounted for. Now that we know that all 3 pictures will fit perfectly within that space as well as the spacing I want, now we need to measure how far down we want the pictures to hang. So as you can see, the first picture that we're going to hang is the one that's going to go in the center. Now this is very critical because we want to make sure that we not only establish how far down we want the picture to go, but we also want to make sure that it is centered. So remember, we had measured out that 24 inches would be the center, and we want to go 21 inches down. Now once we've established where we want to hang our picture, we're going to mark it with the pencil. And then we're going to hammer in our nail right where we put that pencil mark. And then after we hung our center picture, we moved over to the picture that will go in front of it. Now this step is very critical. Remember, with the center picture, we came down 21 inches. We want to make sure with this first picture that's going to go in front of it that it also comes down 21 inches. This is going to assure that both pictures are nice and aligned. The next thing you want to do is measure the spacing in between the 2 pictures so that you can make sure you account for that spacing with the 3rd picture. And don't forget the critical step of measuring how far down the picture should come. Because both of the other pictures measure 21 inches down, we wanted to make sure we brought this picture down 21 inches as well. And please excuse the tattoo on my son's face. It is a temporary tattoo, but right now he's just accounting for the spacing. And now that we've established where we want to hang our picture, my son is now nailing in the last nail. He did remove that center picture so that it would not fall. And now he's hanging the last picture, making sure that it's nice and centered. Not only is it important by measurement to make sure that things are nice and level, but it's also a great idea to stand back and take a look with your own eyes and make sure that it's nice and appealing to you. And here is our completed project. We hung all 3 pictures. They are nice and even and leveled, and it's sitting right above our chair. And here's the rest of our dining room, just to give you an idea of how it goes with the color scheme. We do not have a formal dining room where we have a dining room table and chairs. Okay, people, so I'm super happy with the way that the pictures turned out. Not only is it leveled and evenly spaced, but it goes so well with the rest of the dining room. And the colors in the picture also match one of the pictures that we have in our front room, so it helps bring both rooms together. So I'm super excited about that. I am loving the way things are coming together, and hopefully this video was helpful and it showed you how to make sure that you level and align your pictures. Please subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so that you don't miss another upload, and I will talk to you later.